Have you ever felt like your money just disappears? Or maybe you dream of a future where financial stress isn't a constant companion. You are absolutely not alone. The good news? Taking control of your finances isn't about being rich. It's about being smart, consistent, and empowered. Today, we're diving into practical financial tips that can truly transform your relationship with money, giving you peace of mind and the freedom to build the life you truly want. First up, let's talk about the absolute foundation, knowing where your money goes. It sounds simple, but creating a budget or tracking your expenses is like having a GPS for your financial journey. It's not about restriction, it's about awareness. When you see exactly what you're spending, you can make conscious choices, redirecting funds towards your goals instead of wondering where it all went. Start small, track for a month, then adjust. You might be surprised by what you discover. Next, let's build your financial safety net, an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs, unexpected car repairs, medical bills, or even job changes. Having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible, separate account isn't just a good idea, it's a profound source of peace. It protects you from debt and allows you to navigate challenges without panic. Start with just a small amount, say $500 or $1,000, then build from there, one consistent step at a time. Now, let's tackle debt, especially high-interest debt. It can feel like a heavy chain, holding you back from your dreams. Creating a clear plan to pay it down, whether it's the snowball method where you tackle the smallest debt first, or the avalanche method focusing on the highest interest rates, can be incredibly liberating. Imagine the relief, the extra money in your pocket, once those payments are gone. Every extra dollar you put towards debt is an investment in your future freedom. Once you've got a handle on your budget, savings, and debt, it's time to make your money work for you through investing. This isn't just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Even small, consistent contributions over time can grow significantly thanks to the incredible power of compounding. Start by understanding basic options like retirement accounts or low-cost index funds. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow, helping you achieve long-term goals like a home, education, or a comfortable retirement. Finally, remember that financial success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Continuously educate yourself, stay curious, and be patient. The financial world evolves, and so should your knowledge. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Learn from them. Celebrate small wins. And remember that every smart financial decision you make today is building a stronger, more secure tomorrow for yourself and your loved ones. You don't have to be a financial expert to start building a better future. It's about taking consistent, intentional steps. And if things feel overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek advice from a trusted financial advisor. They can help tailor a plan specifically for your unique situation. Thank you so much for joining me today. I truly hope these tips empower you to take charge of your financial journey. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with someone who might benefit, and subscribing to the channel for more practical advice that helps you live your best life. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building that incredible future you deserve.